The fight over material seized from President Trump's attorney, Michael Cohen, the subject today of a court hearing. Documents and electronic devices were taken from Cohen's Manhattan apartment, his office, hotel room, and a safety deposit box last week. Now, the judge has yet to rule on this matter. CBS 2's Jessica Layton here now with more. Jessica.
Well, Christine, this was a dramatic hearing that created somewhat of a circus both inside and outside court. Ultimately, today, the judge ordered prosecutors to load all the information into a database that now both sides can search with keywords, not ruling out the possibility of appointing an independent person to review the information that's now the subject of so much controversy.
High drama in Lower Manhattan as the legal fight in federal court over records seized from the president's personal attorney continued Monday. Michael Cohen blew past reporters without saying a word. A week after the FBI raided his Manhattan apartment, office, hotel room, and safety deposit box. Among the materials taken, paperwork showing a $130,000 payment to porn star Stormy Daniels, apparent hush money after an alleged affair she had with Donald Trump before the election. Daniels spoke outside court.
For years, Mr. Cohen has acted like he is above the law. He has considered himself and openly referred to himself as Mr. Trump's fixer. He is played by a different set of rules, or should we say no rules at all. That ends now.
Cohen's own attorneys argued information collected during the raids is protected by attorney-client privilege. The judge said he would have to divulge the names of clients, reluctantly revealing he had secretly done legal work for Sean Hannity. But the Fox News host denies anything improper.
Michael Cohen never represented me in any legal matter. I never paid Michael Cohen for legal fees. I did have occasional brief conversations with Michael Cohen. He's a great attorney about legal questions I had.
The president has called the FBI searches a witch hunt, tweeting last night, all lawyers are deflated and concerned. But he wasn't part of the courtroom spectacle. He was in Florida for a business roundtable where he praised the U.S. military for the airstrikes on Syria Friday.
Did our generals do a great job? Did our military do a great job? With way over 100 missiles shot in, they didn't shoot one down.
Meanwhile, the president is in somewhat of a war of words with former FBI Director James Comey. In an interview over the weekend, Comey said Donald Trump is morally unfit to be president. Then, in a tweet this morning, the president called Comey disgruntled, saying he has committed many crimes. Christine.